How to get verified in the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can get verified into your Roblox account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your account, and here in the top right corner there is the gear icon from the settings. You just have to click on it. Now from here, once you are in the my settings of your Roblox, as you can see that here is the option of the security. You have to tap on it. Now from here, as you can see that there is many two-step verification. You have to scroll down, and here is the authenticator app, that is secure email and the hardware security keys. You just have to enable all of these, and you have to add the one-time code verification. And after that you can also change your verification method. Once you add all of these, you just have to fill up the form of your verification badge, and you are able to get the verification badge in your Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.